In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account. So for us to get this done, I want you to head over to your profile first, and then we're going to tap this 30 vertical lines here at the top, and then you're going to go ahead and click settings and privacy. After doing so, you should be able to see here account. Go ahead and click that one, and then what you're going to do is click deactivate or delete account. And then from here, you have the option to delete your account permanently. I want you to go ahead and click that one. And then there are several reasons as to what you could answer, but you can basically just skip this part. So just go ahead and click this one right here. And then it is going to prompt you also to download your data. Of course, that is optional. If you don't want to, just go ahead and click this one and then hit the continue button down below. Now, this is going to be a final warning, so you should be able to delete your data and then be able to deactivate or be able to reactivate it within 30 days. After 30 days, it is going to be deleted permanently. So if you're sure about this, just go ahead and hit the continue button, and then it is also going to prompt to ask or enter your password to confirm this one. And basically that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.